Will this work from the car? Let's find out. Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
It worked. Ohio everyone, this is Kevin from MrPurpleTech. Today we are going to unbox and review an Echo device, the Echo Auto. Here's the beast. So this device is very interesting. It's an Echo device that stays in your car. For those who don't know what an Echo device is, it's a device that allows you to connect to your AI assistant, which in this case is Alexa. So let's see what's inside this box. It looks nice though. This box is very nice. I think you can give this as a gift to anyone. So let's see what's inside. First of all, you have the mount kit. I think it's attached to your vent, the vents in your car, and yeah, there's a nice foam here that protects your vents and also the mount kit. There are two of them, and it's kind of soft. I think it's very nice. It's a thoughtful idea from Amazon because the plastic could have like done some damage to the vents. So apart from that, you also have a cable holder. So this is a good idea as well. It's going to hold your cable, which is going to prevent it from hanging around in your car. Apart from that, you also have the magnet. The magnet is what the Echo device is going to connect to. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. All right. So now the second part. This is it. Here we have the manual, I think, with some few questions that you can use to try Alexa. Here you have the vents that this is compatible with. Please be careful when you're on the Amazon website. You can check if your vents are compatible with this device. Apart from that, yeah, the instructions and some few other instructions on how to install it. Here is what's in the box. Yeah, so you can also pause the video if you want to see anything from here. Apart from that, you will still get it in your kit. Let's move on. So here we have the audio cable. Is an auxiliary cable. It looks nice though. However, I don't really think I'm gonna need this, but if you don't have Bluetooth in your car, this is still helpful and it's still good to have one. All right, this is the power adapter. So the power is a power adapter from Amazon. There's two USBs. So yeah, you can just put it in and then plug your device in it, and it still has an additional slot, which is very important, so you can still charge your phone while you are driving. You have the device itself. This is smaller than I expected, because looking at the box, I mean, I was expecting something bigger. This is really small, but I still love it because you don't want a big device in your car. It's just going to block the way you're going to hit it when you are driving and on any other stuff that can happen in a car. So yeah, and it's also very light, so which means the magnet, because it's very light, the magnet is going to be able to hold it despite any rough road we are going in or any bumps on the road. So yeah, this is very nice. I love it. I also love the fact that it's black. And there's a kind of hole here, which I think the magnet has to go there to allow a better magnetism. Yeah, so let's do this. Then there's this cable, which is basically a micro USB cable that's deceiving. Yeah, I was expecting a USB Type-C. I don't understand why Amazon would put a normal micro USB here. I really don't know why they made that choice, but hey, this is what we have. So yeah, since they didn't put any USB Type-C in the box, you can't expect to have any USB Type-C here. So it's two USBs. Actually, I don't know what I'm going to do with this, because my charger is a USB Type-C to Lightning, and now I have two USBs. So it means I either have to buy a new cable with a USB, or I have to buy another power adapter. I think the cable will be cheaper. Let's see what we'll do with that. So here we have, I think, 8 microphones as expected from the website. You have one button here. This is the mute button, and you also have the manual Alexa pop button. So you just press this and Alexa will come out. Although this is all plastic, this looks very nice. Everything is strong and looks good. This, especially the power adapter, I think is of good quality. This too looks very nice, and it has a strong grip. I don't think your device is likely to fall while it's plugged with this. Other things on this little thing is that we have the light here. This light is going to turn on every time you call for Alexa. You have the port, the micro USB port, and also the auxiliary port right here. So you can just plug them in to power it on and connect it to your speakers. If you have Bluetooth in your car, you don't need this cable. This cable is useless to you. You're just going to connect it through Bluetooth. Please note that this device doesn't connect directly to the internet. It's going to connect to your phone, and then it's going to use the internet on your phone. So if your phone doesn't have internet, you don't need this device at all. So that's it for the unboxing. Let's see what we can do with this in the car. Alright guys, so we are back in the car and we are going to try to install the Echo Auto. Let's do this. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to use the car mount, the vent mount. You just install it in your vent. It's just as simple as that. You just click and that's it. Then after doing that, you can just put the Echo device on it. You use this notch right here. You just put it. Yeah, it's actually adds some nice fashion thing to the car. I love it. All right, and then you power it on. To power it on, we are first going to install the power adapter right here in the lighter. You just push it, boom, and that's it. All right, now you use this cable to power the device on. Actually, I reversed it because if I want it to be nicely done, I need to put this like this, and then I can just power it on. Yeah, see the problem with micro USB. All right. All right. Okay.
Hello. Let's get rolling. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
So as you can see, the loudspeaker on the device is not really strong, so you have to connect it to your own sounding system. All right, let's do that. So what you want to do is to take your smartphone and open the Alexa app. You click on add a device and you look for the Echo Auto. Add Amazon Echo. Select Echo Auto. There is a warning there. I think it's to protect people from driving while they are setting up the device. Get started. And set up the Alexa, the Echo Auto. So you hit continue. And you wait for a while until the phone discovers the device. So while we are waiting, you can hit the subscribe button and like this video. Wow, this takes a long time. I mean, the few minutes, they really mean a few minutes. Alright, our device is found. You click on it and you set it up. Alright, so there are a few instructions. You can read them if you want, but I usually don't do that. So I'm just gonna hit continue, next, continue. Alright, so I use Google Maps most of the time, so I'm going to select Google Maps. And okay, there are some favorite locations that are saved, like home and work, that can be quickly accessed by Alexa. Alright, so our device is set up and ready to be used. So yeah, let's try it. Alexa, tell me a story.
Here's a good one to listen to with the whole family.
Alexa, stop. So as you can see, she was still able to hear me despite all the noise because of the 8 microphones. Alexa, navigate home.
Getting directions to home. If you don't see them, tap the notification on your iPhone when it's safe to do so.
Okay, so the main purpose of this device is to allow you to navigate without having to touch your phone to set the directions. So you just say, Alexa, direct me here, and she'll pop out the mouse, send you a notification, and pop out the map to direct you to that location. So the main idea, I think, behind this device that Amazon want to do is to keep you in the Amazon ecosystem by allowing you to command Alexa through your car directly. So this means you don't have to get home and then talk to your Echo device. From the car, you can just say, Alexa, turn the AC on whilst you are on the way coming home from work. So this means by the time you get here, by the time you get home, you have your home nicely AC. However, I don't think this device is a need. I think it's really more of a luxury. It's when you are really invested in the Amazon Echo system that you really need this device, or you can want this device. Even though you can just ask Alexa to do that, you can still do it in the app. You can still use the map in the app and play music from your phone. Since it's always using your phone, I think everything goes through your phone and you can still use your phone to do the same thing. However, it can be very handy because you will not get distracted while holding your phone to use the navigator, and avoid having a notification whilst looking at the navigation that will distract you even more because you are driving and you don't want to lose focus. So I think this device is a good idea for that. Personally, I have a smart home fully equipped with Amazon Echo Dots, Echo devices, Echo Dot 4, Dot 3, Echo Flexes everywhere in the house. So this means all my devices are smart and I can use this device to direct everything in my house from my car. This is very handy for me. Also, something you need to note is that it's going to use data on your phone. It means if your data is not enough for you to use this device, it's going to consume a lot of data. The music is going to pass through the data, the commands are going to pass through the data, the calendar, everything is going through your data. You need to keep that in mind, and note that you need to increase the data you usually buy so that you'll be able to feed the device in case you need to use it. We are at the end of the video. We put a lot of effort in this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. This was Kevin for MrPurpleTech, and I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara.